Dolovina, and welcome to another vlog. Today we are going to prepare fish in miti. The fish we're using today is ta. This is a unicorn fish. For the broader Fiji, we call it ta. Here in Tabua, it's known as the ikayalewa. Here's Miri scraping the coconut. So we're not going to cook the coconut. It's going to be used raw. So it's going to be squeezed with lemons. You add your onions. Usually people add tomatoes with coriander. So basically whatever you prefer is added to your miti. Here I'm cutting up the onions for our miti. So our onions are chopped, and here we are cutting up our lime. So you can either cut it in half or cut it in quarters, which is then added to your scraped coconut, and then you would squeeze out the coconut milk with the lemons added to the scraped coconut. The lemon adds that extra zest and flavor for your miti. Lemons are added, then you squeeze out the coconut milk. As you can see here, that looks delicious. So the only water added was the juice from the coconut. No other juice was added. That's our cooked fish. So we've got the ta there and a few other fishes. You've added your onions into our prepared miti. Added into a bigger basin while we squeeze out the remaining coconut milk, sorry. There you have it. Delicious. And now we have the cassava out in the open fireplace outside. So we are cooking our boiled cassava. Is ready to enjoy with our miti. Hope you enjoyed our video today. Please like and subscribe for more content.